What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, do you need the idea or inspiration to change your profile picture from this selfie photo to become this cool style? And as you can see, it is kind of the retro Y2K aesthetic photo, and as you can see, the detail is quite cool, and you can also change the outfit down here, and also you can change the background to become a lot of newspaper on the wall. How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here is Nano Banana. It's very enough, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to try another app or another AI platform, it is very okay and you can do the exploration with it. And don't worry, because I will also share you the prompt to create this photo transformation from this one to become this one. So you can start to prepare your best photo, and after that you can visit your favorite AI. And here I will try this Nano Banana. And you can start to upload your selfie photo from your gallery, for example this one. And the next step is I would like to copy or paste this prompt into this section. For example, the prompt would be like this: use the reference photo as the base and keep the original face 100% same without changing the expression, face shape, or the skin tone. This is the output. And also show the man sitting casually on a simple wooden chair indoors, and also with walls fully covered by the cutouts of newspaper and retro magazine. And also he is wearing the casual Korean street style outfit with the glasses if you want to, and also a calm and confident facial expression. And also you can use the warm slightly yellow lighting to create a vintage aesthetic atmosphere, and also the natural skin texture, and also the soft shadows on the face, this kind of the shadow guys. And also apply Y2K or year 2000 Canon aesthetic photo style, giving a classic nostalgic artistic 2005. And the style itself, about the retro cinematic photography, the lighting would be soft and yellow tone, and mood, calm, aesthetic, nostalgic, and also the quality would be high realism 8K detail. Well, basically this is kind of the reconfirm again to this AI that this is the detail that we want. And after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. And basically this is the same prompt that I used before to transform this selfie picture to become this cool retro aesthetic photo. However, by this same prompt you can also have a little bit or slightly different look, but maybe the differences is about the angle or also the style, like this, from the sweater to become the hoodie. Which one do you prefer? You can also adjust or modify this prompt with the outfit that you want to present in this picture. And if you like it, then you can start to download it, and it will be officially saved into your device and presented into your profile picture. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.